So guys, I'm Prince here, and today, I really need to show you guys something, and it's pretty bad, guys, but just look at that. That is literally smoke. That is literally fire, like, and that is just a really big smoke. Like, it looks like an explosion from a nuclear bomb. Like, seriously, look at this. It is literally covering the whole sky. But this is probably gonna be like the same as like the Canada one, the Canada fire, which yeah, I think it's gonna be the same fire as in Canada, which I made a video about there's fire at Canada, but I'm not sure if the fire is going, just keep going on in Canada, but hope you guys will. But yeah, so because I'm not telling you where this fire is, because I'm not telling you where I live, because probably just gonna stalk me or something, but yeah, that is just literally fire, and it's like a nuclear bomb, like seriously, it's like spraying, like.
Watch out, Charles.
Oh, he has to move. He has to move. Okay. Guys, I really hope you. Also, guys, so, like sometimes, like you see this dry grass. It will actually it will actually be on fire, because, guys, make sure, like, if you have a lawn, like a big lawn, make sure you water your grass, because if you just let it just dry and just be dead, then it's gonna turn, like, it's gonna caught on fire, and that's not very good. So, and that's what happened because of this, because the grass and it caught on fire. Also, I think it's the same as Canada, right? The fire, yeah. But guys, please be careful, like, because. But once it rains a lot, then you guys don't have to, like, water the grass, because you then just let the rain just let the rain water the grass, and yeah. So hope you guys can be safe from the fire, and make sure you be careful, because, like, seriously, right? Like, it's just too bad. No, it's not. Sorry, guys, it was just a bee. I think it was a bee, actually, I don't know. I don't really like bees, because they'll probably sting me.
Okay, Charles.
Alright, guys, so that's what I want to show you. This is, yeah. This is the smoke. This is the fire. And it is spreading like crazy, like, seriously. It is covering the sky, like, it is just bad. Alright, guys, so thank you so much for watching, and also, guys, I have to talk to, guys, I have to talk to you something, so hold on, I gotta do something, okay? Hold on, okay? Just give me a second, okay?
Yeah.
Well, give me a minute. Sorry, guys. So for some reason I was trying to, like, find a game on Roblox, and I was trying to see if it could give me Robux, but for some reason I got my Roblox guy got banned. Oh, sorry. But for some reason, guys, my Roblox guy got banned. but I'm gonna create another video once I get back to my house. But yeah, so yeah, I'll create another video and I'll talk to you guys if my Roblox guy is still banned or not banned. Then yeah. So hope you guys have a good day. Be careful on fire and make sure you water you on, and yeah, so be careful guys, and hope you enjoy this video. Have a great summer, and please like my videos and subscribe to my channel, and this is yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. So you guys are awesome, and bye.